What's going on, everyone? Obviously, if you guys were watching the market today, we know that the semiconductor sector got absolutely obliterated. One trade that I'm looking at for the rest of the week is going to be Nvda, so we still have some news to come across the table here. This week is going to be very, very volatile. I would not be surprised if Nvda does put in another, low this week. So with that being taken into place, it's been a phenomenal move coming off the bottom on Nvidia. We did put in highs of 193, so we can't be too upset, right? If you're upset right now, it's because obviously you weren't expecting this move to happen right off the bell and you kind of got obliterated or got caught with your pants around your ankles. But let's hope that you were able to get out of this trade relatively unscathed. With that being taken into consideration, what I am looking at here now on the video is a short below 172.32, and I will look to try to cover my position between a price of 167 to 164. The reason why I would like to cover in that range is because you can see if we do start to lose today's lows, we've got a lot of room down, and our next area of support is going to be where we tagged it once here, where we also tagged it here for the second time, and the third time is when we had this last nice run up here. So you can see this little zone here, the bottom of the wick is going to be around 164.5, and the top of this zone is going to be 166, 167. You can also see this area here. When we did get rejected the first time, we back tested into rising support here, and then we were able to finally explode. And once we got back over that 167 mark is what started this whole move. So if you kind of go back here and look at this candlestick here, and mind you, this is a 4-hour time frame that we're looking at, so each candle is going to represent 4 hours worth of trading. Once we did get over this area and we put in this first initial high, we did come back and back test. So this is a classic break and retest of this zone before pursuing higher. So now I could see us coming at least back to 167 to at least test this again, and anything below 164 is definitely going to be a macro flush for the short term, whether that happens this week or into next week. Let's say, for example, this week we do lose 164, 165. I would expect going into next week to see some lower prices. If we do come back down here and back test and hold, maybe consolidate for 1 or 2 days and then push off, maybe this might be a good area for a low risk to try to take an opportunity to try to bounce this back into 172 and obviously over 172 to 186. And then if we do lose this zone, you can just quickly get out of your position there, managing your risk very, very tight to the vest. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do enjoy day trading options and you guys want to learn more about technical analysis, make sure you guys join my Discord. Also like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.